calling out your name from a distance, baby. Girl, your love, you give to me no resistance. It's like a fool in love. Your love keep me spinning around. It's like I'm lost, now I'm found. Your love keeps me on a solid ground. All I wish is love from you. Your love means everything, and I like all the things you do. Believe me, my baby. All I want is love from you, baby. Your love means everything, and I like all the things you do. Believe me, my baby. Though I am a stranger, no danger. Just give me a number, I call her, and then I meet your mama and papa. Forever your man and your lover. I wanna make babies, I wanna carry different places, so we can cherish these memories. All these memories between you and me, yeah. All I wish is love from you. Your love means everything, and I like all the things you do. Believe me, my baby. All I want is love from you, baby. Your love means everything, and I like all the things you do, 'cause only you do. And then I feel my baby, and I my girl all the time. Oh, all I wish is love from you, yeah. Your love means everything, and I like all the things you do. Believe me, my baby. All I want is love from you, yeah. Your love means everything, and I like all the things you do, yeah. Girl, I'm calling out your name from a distance, baby. Girl, your love will give me no resistance. It's like a fool in love. Your love keep me spinning around. It's like I'm lost, now I'm found, and I'm glad you're in my arms. All I wish is love from you. Your love means everything, and I like all the things you do. Believe me, my baby. Though I am a stranger, no danger. Just give me a number, I call her, and then I meet your mama and papa. Forever your man and your lover. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, 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 yeah, yeah. No, 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 oh, no, 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 yeah.
Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no correction. Major pour blessings in your direction. You got my attention. What an impression. So long I've been waiting to be with you all alone. I've been anticipating. The first time we kissed was breathtaking. And girl, we got a bright future in the making. Whoa. When we are together, my heart feels so much better. Oh girl, I need you, and that's no lie. Whenever that we make love, I arrange that you take us, and I'm so glad that I made you mine. Oh, keep that precious smile on your face. God will keep you warm and safe. Make it worthwhile, just you and I with love the most I create. Let's start a family and make things great. 'Cause when and how we met, girl, it's not a mistake. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no correction. Major pour blessings in your direction. You got my impression. There's something about her. Oh, I just can't do without her. Never had a woman of such virtue. Oh, I give you my love, girl. I got no intentions to hurt you. Stay close to me, don't slip away. With the permits we pray. Wherever I go, you will follow and keep you warm and safe. Make sure the children have health and strength. Cause when I say I love you, that's what I mean. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no correction. You make me feel so right. No blemish or flawless, no sores inside. Caressing you softly all through the night. It must be the season, cause all fruits ripe. Letting you know, girl, that you're my type. We're meant to be midnight. Girl, you're so appealing, and your smile is healing. How I love this feeling. Some say it's revealing. You're that special someone, and I'll do you no harm. When I'm with you, I'm gone. Woo. The first time I saw your face, it was the heights of my happiness. Curiously, I wanted to touch you. The feeling was so right. Girl, it was your smile, your style, your profile. For your love, I'll walk a mile. Just tell me how much to. Baby, I need you in my life. You know that I like when you say sweet things to keep my heart on the right beat. And that's why I love you. Keep your body warm through the night. And there ain't nothing else that I want. Cause I'm gonna make you my wife. Girl, you're so appealing, and your smile is healing. How I love this feeling. Some say it's revealing. You're that special someone, and I'll do you no harm. When I'm with you, I'm gone. You are my joy and pride. I need you by my side.
That you won't get yours. Man, all your wrongs are gonna come back and haunt you. You're digging your pits, better prepare to lay there. All your wrongs are gonna come back and haunt you. And when you're running to the rock, there will be no rock. Hiding and you're looking out for shelter. You're running to the rock, there will be no rock. Not even your mama can save you. And the mercy's gone, and the judgment come. Them have to go down, go down, go down. The mercy's gone, and the judgment come. Them have to go down. So play fair and share. It's simple and so clear. All and all, we've got to live up, my people. Cause life is like a seesaw, and the Most High sees and knows all. All your wrongs are gonna come back and haunt you. So when you're running to the park, there will be no rock. Hiding and you're looking out for shelter. You're running to the rock, there will be no rock. Not even your mama and your papa can save you. When the mercies come and the judgment come, them are fair. Go down. Oh, the mercies come and the judgment come, them are fair. Go down, go down, go down. Nowhere to run to. Everyone's your relative, everything is relative, yeah.
We learn when we're young, practice what's taught when you're older. Everything that's done plays a part as a molder. Fathers, teach your sons Mothers, teach your daughters. Show them what's to come, what the world has to offer. Starts with the family. Starts with the family. We all are family, one human family. Starts with the family. Starts with the family. We all are family, one human family.
We'll be, yeah, making all the changes in society. You'll see, oh, the home, the first nursery. Now many men say blood is thicker than water, but when you're thirsty, it's not blood that you ask for. So when you've got true friends, regard them as your brothers and sisters. Folks don't understand. They say that we're complete strangers, but we all are family. We all are family. Oh, so strengthen the family. Strengthen the family. Oh, we all are family. One human family. We all are family. Strengthen the family. We'll be making all the changes in society. You'll see. Oh, the first nursery. We'll be making all the changes in society. You'll see. Yeah, the first nursery.
Everything is relative, everyone's your relative, yeah. Everything is relative, everyone's your relative, yeah.
So check the air you breathe and the blood you bleed. You'll see that we one family, one heartbeat. In a you and me, I and I stand free. One family, every color and creed, one nationality. Sun shines for we, one family. Same moon for I, same trees for we, same stars they be. One family. It starts with the family.
Starts with the family.
We all are family. Strengthen you and me. We'll be, yeah, making all the changes in society. You'll see, yes you will. The whole first nursery. We'll be, yeah, making all the changes in society. You'll see. First nursery.
And that me ask man. I want to deal with man.
Them living too strange.
I'm tired of that.
Them a ball out peace. Man said them not in that because them still want a piece of the action.
And that them a deal with.
Peace. Them friends and them family dead. And all know they don't get a satisfaction.
Them better cut out that.
Peace. Man around the corner still a wait because them still want a piece of the action. A ball out peace. But remember, to every action there's a reaction.
That's why me show me now I keep that now all the peace. A man live out with him heart it full up of grief. When they remember on the day how them kill him this. A man a not take a step out of east. What make the war start was a simple thing. Then can't fall and them she dead over ice him in. And what class that I threw them like a reasoning. And enough for them to have no love deep within.
Them a ball out peace. Man said them not in that because them still want a piece of the action. Them a ball out peace. Them friends and them family dead. And I know they don't get no satisfaction. Ball out peace. Man said them not in that because them still want a piece of the action.
And don't be a
ball out peace. But remember, to every action there's a reaction.
You better know that, you know.
Well, it look like this place gets a beating.
What's that thing?
Just look how much people come a meeting.
Clear.
No one want to hear what the others have to say. Everyone I carry grievance same way. Hey, all when the mothers them I beg them please.
What's that thing, man?
Those things only weaken them knees.
So them
still a go down there big and bold. Them
no care if them lose them soul. Them a ball out peace. Man a man said them not in that because them still want a piece of the action. Them a ball out peace. Them friends and them family dead and all know they not get no satisfaction. All out peace. Man a man said them not in that because them still want a piece of the action. Them a ball out peace. But remember, to every action there's a reaction.
Mankind for it, for know themselves. Looking at themselves, why you take people life like up on a shelf. Every day no get up with no bloodshed. We are of the unity, God. After Jaja put we on the land, we live as one. Who no get up with no vampire meditation. Every day no kill, who no want to murder everyone. Let's bury the gun, them yeah man.
Them a ball out peace. Man a man say them not in that because them still want a piece of the action.
And that
them
a
ball out peace. Them friends and them family dead and all know they not get no satisfaction. All out peace. Man a man say them not in that because them
every day man get up on a war, eh? I kill them black brothers and sisters. And sugar is that not right. Clear.
Right, you know me tired of it. Every morning you wake up, you hear how much body them found. Tell you say me tired of it. As it reach 6 o'clock, the liquor bars and the shop them locked down. Tell you say me tired of it.
And what am I deal with, man?
The youths them out for turn the place in a ghost town. Right, you know me tired of it. Tired of it. Sugar on me tired of it. Oh yeah.
That's why me have to preach to the youth them, teach the youth them. It seem like the message not reach to the youth them. Me feel it for the youth them, me read it to the youth them. Bubble and I hide the truth, so me reveal it for the youth them. Clear. Oh, them a go so like a Texas, then live. Alpana so dumb and a man, them a turn fugitive. Sure. Them have a one gun, them a think negative. As a man talk to what them ready for bust him for it. And the wrong way could not be the right way to live. Sugar rice the crystal come sing. Clear.
Me tired of it. Every morning you wake up, you hear how much body them found. Me tired of it. As it reach 6 o'clock, the liquor shops and the bar them locked down. Listen, me tired of it. My sister, the youths, them out for turn the place in a ghost town. Listen, me tired of it. Tired of it. Right, I know me tired of it. Oh yeah. Send me up to leave the place, yeah man. No people can't live under this condition. Me say them no have no heart, no they mean. A 2 more them kill on the scene. Now people fear come stand up at them gate. Them still a send threats, so them a come boom down the place.
How is man deal with man?
All the while people living in fear. No one ain't going nowhere. I know me tired of it. Every morning I wake up, you hear how much body them found. Tell us I'm tired of it. I think we 6 o'clock, the liquor shops and the bar them locked down. Tell us I'm tired of it. You know, sister, the youth, them out for turn the place in a ghost town. Tell us I'm tired of it, tired of it. Right, you know me tired of it. Oh yeah.
I do a thing by rough and tough, don't make it get you down and stress you down to the ground, yeah, me son. No fun and a friend go pick up no gun, no shoot nobody down. Cause that's no fun. You know, sister, too much blood I run. That's why me preach to the youth them, me teach the youth them. It seem like the message not reach to the youth them. Me feel it for the youth them, me read it to the youth them. Bubble and I hide the truth, so me reveal it for the youth them.
Yeah. Tired of it. Every morning I wake up, you hear how much body them found. Tell us I'm tired of it. As it reach 6 o'clock, the liquor shops and the bar them locked down. Tell us I'm tired of it. You know, sister, the youths, them out for turn the place in a ghost town. Tell us I'm tired of it, tired of it. Me tired of it, oh yeah.
That's why me sing. Oh, them a go so like a Texas, they live. Albana so dumb and a man, them a turn fugitive. Show. Them have a one gun, them a think negative. As a man talk to what them ready for bust him for it. And the wrong way could not be the right way to live. Sugar rice a crystal, you don't know what? That's why me have to preach to the youth them, teach the youth them. It seem like the message not reach. Oh, you love badness, so boy?
Oh yeah.
I've been warning every day for stuff all about company, now Johnny.
Too bad.
You never want to hear. See you there, jail behind bars and a bar. What's the destruction? Sugar is a Christian. Clear.
Walking down the road with your matic in your waist, Johnny, you're too bad.
So you know a better thing than that for the Johnny.
Walking down the road with
idiomatic in your ways. Johnny, you too bad.
Where my child? Where my child? Clear.
Because you're robbing and stabbing and you're looting and shooting, you're too bad.
My God, boy.
Because you're robbing and stabbing and you're looting and shooting, you're too bad.
Too bad.
One of these days when you hear a voice say come, where you gonna run to?
What a bad luck taking, Johnny.
One of these days when you hear a voice say come, where you gonna run to?
And that me ask them, man. Destruction taking, man.
You're gonna run to the rock for rescue and there'll be no rock.
My God, boy.
You're gonna run to the rock for rescue and there'll be no rock.
Sugar I short Johnny. You see the 45, the chicken make your finger touchy. Good this time boy find down in the country, grew up with him granny. Come at one a fella man say find a boy this still be shotty. Then find them body down in a the gully. Me talk to them crystal tired of it. When me go preach to them, me tell them to stop it and then go do it again. Too much dead body in the street again. You hear me, my friend? Boy come out of the house, go and go look a walk. Every day pan sidewalk and your friend them chop up. Me hear pan the news, then just get lock up. Me stays the one ton crop. That's why me have to talk to them. Crystal tired of it. When me go preach to them, me tell them to stop it and then go do it again. The whole community get weak again, my God.
You're gonna run to the rock for rescue and there'll be no rock.
And that take your journey.
You're gonna run to the rock for rescue and there'll be no rock.
What a bad lucky man, clear.
One of these days when you hear a voice say come, where you gonna run to?
Oh my God.
One of these days when you hear a voice say come, where you gonna run to?
Too much badness in a journey, you know?
You're gonna run to the rock for rescue and there'll be no rock.
My God.
You're gonna run to the rock for rescue and there'll be no rock.
Clear.
You're gonna run to the rock for rescue and there'll be no rock. You're gonna run to the rock for rescue and there'll be no rock.
How are you try, Johnny?
Because you're robbing and stabbing and you're looting and shooting, you're too bad.
They don't know say that is wrong.
Because you're robbing and stabbing and you're looting and shooting, you're too bad.
My God.
Because you're robbing and
behind these prison walls, doing my paces, doing my time. I am spending my restless nights, visioning faces. Oh, they all cry, cry. Prison on a bed of roses. The liberty it makes me bad. I wish that y'all could come and take us back in time. Cause I swear that I can be a better man. Yes, I swear. If only you could understand the fate in nations and mercy reflection. The fate in me shall set me free, reflection. Da 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 da. Behind these metal bars, to Jaja I'm chanting. Pray for your love divine. I'm oh so sorry, man. Deeply I'm hurting. The price ordained to be mine. Impossible to see the changes that I've made in my life. All they see is just the boy they left behind. And I swear that I can be a better man. Yes, I swear, yeah. If only you could understand the fate in me shall set me free, reflection. The fate in me shall set me free, reflection. Da 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 da. see the changes that I've made in my life. All they see is just the boy I left behind. 'Cause I swear I can be a better man. 'Cause I swear only you could understand. I swear, yeah, I can be a better man. And I swear, yeah, I swear, the faith of the faith in his no.
Hear me now. Give thanks for life and all existence. Emperor Haile Selassie, rule and reign in out of all flesh. Check it.
Can you hear my cry when I call on you? Can you hear my cry? I got faith in you. Can you hear my cry when I'm calling on you? 'Cause when it's all said and done, only you can see me through.
'Cause when Jah Rule has called, I will be there. For he bless my feet, I'll never walk in the counsel of the wicked, I swear. Oh, praises be to he who sit up in the holy place. His royal majesty full of truth and grace. I know he's the only one that I fear.
Can you hear my cry when I call on you? Can you hear my cry? I got faith in you. Can you hear my cry when I'm calling on you? 'Cause when it's all said and done, only you can see me through.
'Cause when the road gets tough and things are not right, let your God intuition guide you like a torch through the night. Oh, people judge you not knowing what your heart feels. When bad comes away, hypocrites are cartwheel. Oh, only Jah can provide.
Can you hear my cry when I call on you? Can you hear my cry? I got faith in you. Can you hear my cry when I'm calling on you? 'Cause when it's all said and done, only you can see me through.
Yeah. Go before me, Jah, and just take control. Protect me from the evil and restore my soul. Things are getting serious as times grow old. What good is a man when his heart is so cold? Seeking salvation, look at me all. The ever-living monarchy in a crown of gold. Tell the children just to look at me all. Wow, story unfold.
Can you hear my cry when I call on you? Can you hear my cry? I got faith in you. Can you hear my cry when I'm calling on you? 'Cause when it's all said and done, only you can see me through. Can you hear my cry when I call on you? Can you hear my cry?
Keep it burning, fire burning. Oh, it's pressure. Fire gets red and hotter than before. Once they keep on neglecting the poor, and that just can't take it no more, no more, no more. Fire gets red and hotter than before. Tired to sleep on the concrete floor, and that just can't take it no more, no more, no more. Hear me now. This is not the time for fun or laughter. Babylon going down, what a disaster. How pity for those who put you after. And the fire getting hotter. No be no lamb to no slaughter. Hotter than the melting lava. Fire get red and hotter than before. Once they keep on neglecting the poor, and that just can't take it no more, no more, no more. Fire gets red and hotter than before. Tired to sleep on the concrete floor, and that just can't take it no more. Red out, hear me now. Mark
Scotty teachings never fail yet. Hear me now. People fight against you for your hard work and sweat. Yeah. But I keep on sacrificing and analyzing. Stop from despising. I'll be herbalizing. There's no compromising. Hey, fire gets redder hotter than before. Once they keep on neglecting the poor, and that just can't take it no more, no more, no more. Fire gets redder hotter than before. Once they keep on neglecting the poor, and I just can't take it no more.
Say pull it up now and make we reason from the top. You know see the government them out to start on the cops because the price are shocking. Use them ready to attack. Cause I living no more use them can't bother with that. Oh gosh, you know see man not dead road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know see man not dead road. No you jealous and you mark them well overload. You know see man not dead road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system on a dead road. No, you jealous and you mark them well overload. Tell you the reason why so much man a die. Money start to make and people start to get rid of. Corruption and bad mind, envious all the time. Just see your son knows all in front his eyes. Oh, he that dwelling only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away. Juna Milestone say, oh, you know sister man not dead, you know. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know sister man not dead the road. Now you jealous and you mark them well overload. You know sister man not dead the road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know sister man, you know sister man not dead the road. Say pull it up now and make we reason from the top. You know see the government them out to start on the crops because the price are shocking. Use them ready to attack. Cause I living no more use them can't bother with that. Oh gosh, you know see man not dead the road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know sister man not dead the road. No you jealous and you mark them well overload. You know sister man not dead the road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know sister man not dead the road. No you jealous and you mark them well overload. Tell you the reason why so much man a die. Money start to make and people start to get rid of. Corruption and bad mind, envious all the time. Just see your son knows all in front his eyes. Oh, he that dwelling only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away. Juna Milestone say, oh, you know sister man not dead, you know. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know sister man not dead the road. No you jealous and you mark them overload. Na. Oh,
welcome treat I rejectedly. But I man too culturally. Them no want type on MTV. Lord, them things said them done with me. This a rude boy you shuffling. The rude boys can't kill the reggae. Back up with your muffling. The rude boys can't kill the reggae. A rude boys can't kill. The rude boys can't kill the reggae. Them want come stress me now.
Youths work harder, even if you a sell marijuana. Because of life we a deal with on ya. We can't afford for Babylon come shoot we down on them road. No. Mommy grew up with a ton soldier, not no clown. No.
So this a rude boy you shuffling. The rude boys can't kill the reggae. Walk up with your muffling.
Cause rude boys can't kill the reggae.
Rude boys can't kill now.
Cause rude boys can't kill the reggae.
Lord, them can't come stress me. Them not come stress me. Cause this a rude boy a shuffling now.
Cause rude boys can't kill the reggae.
You better back up with your muffin. Cause them can't come stress me. Them can't come stress me now.
The sticks and stones will break my bone. Live in a glass house, can't foolish feature stone. I say, me show me card, me never call them fool. Some sell them soul for rubies, diamonds and gold. Oh yeah, this I know, oh oh. Teeth and tongue will tell everything they know. Oh yeah, I saw it go, long time ago. Granny say you reap what you sow. Oh,
this
yeah.
a rude boy a shuffling.
Rude boys can't kill the reggae.
Back up with your muffling.
Black House. Creation a rebel, yeah. Highly over devil, yeah. I rise like the moon in the night, child of African style, sunburned face. I sit up in a highly brems, while Babylon are trying to find where does your happiness lie? Oh, mama, son, go naughty, no one. That's where the party strictly roots and yachty. High culture. Oh, I sit up in a highly brems, while Babylon are trying to find where does your happiness lie? The secret is so mystic, you cannot read it. You've got to feel it. Open secret shall reveal it. You cannot do it. You've got to be it. Keep it on a 1, 2, harder, higher in there, higher in there. Keep it on a 1, 2, harder, higher in there, higher in there. Where does your happiness lie? Where is your joy? Creation of rebel, yeah. I. Creation of rebel, yeah. Highly over devil. I and our hearts travel longer days, straighten all crooked ways. Let us live upright. I and I sit up in a highly brems, while Babylon trying to find where does the happiness lie? For the kingdom of Zion is amongst I and I, man. So do all the good that you can amongst all creation. Rasta youth sit up in a highly brems, while Babylon are trying to find where does the happiness lie? The secret is so mystic, you cannot read it. You've got to feel it. This open secret shall reveal it. You cannot do it. You've got to be it. Keep it on a 1, 2, harder, higher inge, higher inge. Keep it on a 1, 2, harder, higher inge, higher inge. Where does your happiness lie? Ooh, where is your joy? Remember, Jaja, goodness is a good cure for doubt.
Living like crab in a bird. And that's alright. I want to know Christian. Fire, bud.
Me say now want me
yeah, man.
So I know.
You know what? Sugar is a Christian. Let them know righteousness. See it.
I can walk in peace. The youth them just live like a beast. Man can
Righteousness we find, but you all look for the sign. Well, I know the time for living a peace and love and everything will be fine.
Man can't walk in peace. The youth them just a live like a beast.
And the wrong thing that you know.
Man can't walk in peace. You know, sister, them no run from police. No. Can't walk in peace. The youth them just a live like a beast.
Shouldn't be like that.
Man can't walk in peace. You know, sister, them no afraid of police. No. You know, you were them the master Joe. I lost like them killing, you know.
The wicked.
And when the community heard about it, it was a fatal
What a shock,
People go call or remove and chop. Pack up them things, got them ready to go. Ready to go. When them master who kill him. No one, no. Can't walk in peace. The youth them just live like a beast. Man can't walk in peace. You know, sister, them no run from police. No. Can't walk in peace. The youth them just live like a beast. Man can't walk in peace. You know, sister, them no run from police. No.
Don't try to take a bird that life. Jah will show you a sign. So the youth them a bust up the nine. Decomposed by them a find no matter how man a preach and a teach them still a act like them blind. Sugar so fill up well behind. Enough of them must illiterate and nonsense. But them pick up a gun thing, but a self-defense. But wait till they come on and go and face the consequence. The thing where them a do me say it make no sense. Enough of them must illiterate and nonsense. But them pick up a gun thing, but a self-defense. But wait till they come on and go and face the consequence. The thing where them a do me say it make no sense. Clear. Looking at yourself, mankind. Stop acting blind. Read between the line. Righteousness we find, but you all look for the sign. Well, I know the time for living a peace and love and everything will be fine.
Man can't walk in peace. The youth them just live like a beast.
And the wrong thing that you know.
Man can't walk in peace. You know, sister, them no run from police. No. Can't walk in peace. The youth them just live like a beast.
Shouldn't be like that.
Man can't walk in peace. You know, sister, them no afraid of police. No.
When it's the cross, we all sing at them like a love bunny, man. How what them a deal with, man? Sure. Bing.
I know all them do so with them things in the ear. Do so when people get scared. Do so everybody disappear.
How them a deal with,
them
man?
are the community worst nightmare. Do so with them things in the ear. Do so when people get scared. Do so everybody disappear. Them are the community worst nightmare.
Every day they get up and I go on like tough jacket. Seem like they sign up with man of make enough defeat. Tell them for ease after say they're not free of it. So the big guys run them out of the community. What? They try to broke the others, so the people them have to push them out. They rise the shop, it out, no other than friend them have to push them out. They want lap other lines, so the people them have to push them out. Them have to push them out. Them have to push them out. Me living on this scheme, but then don't come from me. So me not gonna make them come create a scene. Prefer broke your hand and put the seat in the cleaner. Peace and love and unity are what we want in.
Do so with them things in the ear. Do so when people get scared. Do so everybody disappear. Them are the community worst nightmare. Do so with them things in the ear. Do so when people get scared. Do so everybody disappear. Them are the community worst nightmare. Everything I want, they want to mash it up. Dance a keep a road, they want to shut it up. Man, I talk to them still a move tough.
Them no
so
one
them
here,
get mad me, I feel beg them no fit at them up. True round here, I yearn near my car. Them a go like them no rate you at all. But them friend go be them one down far.
True, man.
I jam me praise and them rules over. When them a do so with them things in the ear. Do so when people get scared. Do so everybody disappear. Them a the community worst nightmare. Do so with them things in the ear. Do so when people get scared. Do so everybody disappear. Them a the community worst nightmare.
Every day I get up and I go on like tough jacket. Seem like they sign up with man of make enough it. Tell them for ease after say they're not free now it. So the big guys run them out of the community. What? No try to broke the others, so the people them have to push them out. They rise the shop, it out, no other than friend them have to push them out. Don't want lap other lines, so the people them have to push them out. Them have to push them out. Them have to push them out. Me living on this scheme, but then don't come from me. So me not go make them come create a scene. You might prefer broke your hand and put the seat in the glean. Peace and love and unity are what we want to hear.
Do so with them things in the ear. Do so when people get scared. Do so everybody disappear. Them are the community worst nightmare. Do so with them things in the ear. Do so when people get scared.
Hey, it's pressure. I wish my brother good, so that goodness will follow. Little children, don't be rude. Got to have a name just like a role. Be mindful of things you do, cause everything just see Jah know. You're the one responsible for all your future tomorrow. You can be what you want, never say you can't. Life is full of obstacles, still you gotta advance. You can be what you want, never say you can't. Life is full of obstacles, still you gotta advance. The fittest will survive, and the weak will fall below. They try to milk our minds and teach back everything we know. The children are the future, no time for being a loser. Go away, child abuser. Rastafari me choose, no get confused. You can be what you want, never say you can't. Life is full of obstacles, still you gotta advance. You can be what you want, never say you can't. Life is full of obstacles, still you gotta advance. Life is what you make it. Alright. Some people take the late shift. You know. I work early in the morning. Wow. Before the crack of dawning. Goodbye to the enemies. Bye bye. Hey, I don't like the frenemies. I don't like to see poor people go reach them destiny. Yeah. You can be what you want, never say you can't. Life is full of obstacles, still you gotta advance and enhance. You can be what you want, never say you can't. Life is full of obstacles, still you gotta advance. Jah bless the children of today. Most High, Jah bless the youths, make them no shame. There is so much going on within this world of faith. Jah bless the youths and keep them safe. Oh yeah, Jah bless the children of today. Most High, Jah bless the youths, make them no shame. There is so much going on within this world of faith. Jah bless the youths and keep them safe. Oh, bless them, protect them, keep them safe and secure. Correct them, they know not what they've got in store. They're facing tribulations without knowing what for. Go before us and I'll see to it my heart remains pure. Some people betray and keep forsaking you, but I just hold a man and keep the faith in you. But what they say, I know it ain't got no hate in you. The chosen is very few, so true. But Jah bless the children of today. Most High, Jah bless the youths, make them no shame. There is so much going on within this world of faith. Jah bless the youths and keep them safe. Oh yeah, Jah bless the children of today. Most High, Jah bless the youths, make them no shame. There is so much going on within this world of faith. Rastafari, keep them safe. Oh, every man should have food, shelter and clothes, but the greedy and the rich want to take control. We're up against a nation of cold-hearted souls, so I pray that they will come when corruption grows. The youths them are fighting over silver and gold, projecting images of a bad man role, not even knowing the half that has never been told. Then sell out to Babylon, forget them billboards. Keep the little children under your wings and praises of joy unto you. I'll sing, I'm the servant and you're my king. Emperor Selassie, I wash away my sins. Yeah, Jah bless the children of today. Most High, Jah bless the youths, make them no shame. There is so much going on within this world of faith. Jah bless the youths and keep them safe. Oh yeah, Jah bless the children of today. Most High, Jah bless the youths, make them no shame. There is so much going on within this world of faith. Jah bless the youths and keep them safe. Whenever them have it all, them fail to acknowledge the Creator. Them never think about later. Like King Selassie, there is no other life form greater. Me say you can't be no traitor. No people struggle in a life and find the joy of it, while some live in a paradise and make a toy of it. To have money, every girl and boy would love it. Just remember Jah alone does this. Oh yeah, Jah bless the youths them up today. Most time Jah bless the youths, make them no stray. There is so much going on in this world of it.
I don't in there, rather than red. I beat in a done there. Yeah, man, I did Lord. I don't in there, rather than red. I beat in a done there. Yeah, blood, I shit Lord. 10 miles to the east, that's where the youth them sit. The city get bloody, cause no have no pity every day. Another brother fall. Blood is splashing on the street, Lord. It's so hard to make two ends meet. They might talk about a bad disagree. I know the competition will never complete. Down in there, redder than red. Not getting not down there. Yeah, man, I didn't know. I down in there, redder than red. Not getting not down there. Yeah, blood and shit now. Where them system design for the youths, them I had the list of crime. Every day that's how they play. Your innocent one get put away. Oh Lord, it not right, it red. Every day another innocent dead. Red, red, red. I dug in there, redder than red. The beating not down there. Yeah, man, I did now. I dug in there, redder than red. The beating not down there. Yeah, blood and shit now. Police are running in the street. I also feel them paying every day. And all who not pay them Jews, you're gonna read about the judgment in the news. And if you don't have a clue, separations they come like glue. Tell me what next, what's the next step? What the poor man gonna do? I don't in there, redder than red. I'm beating her down there. Be a man I did lie, I down in there, redder than red. I'm beating her down there. Be a blood that shit loud. Oh, cure again, yeah.
Every corner I turn, I see your face. Everywhere that you go, I'm at that place. I just can't escape you. No coincidence. When I think that it's over, you see me again. See me again. I don't know your name or where you come from, but it seems like we met before. Cause ever since that day I see you at that place, I've been coming back to see you some more. I've been talking to myself, try to figure out if you put a spell on me. Is this a sign? Yeah, you keep running through my mind. Yeah. When I close my eyes at night, when I sleep, you meet me in my dreams. Try to pinch myself so I can wake up and I see you on my plasma screen. When I go outside and the sun shines down, I see you shine no one. Is this a sign? Am I running out of time? Cause every corner I turn, you're there. I see you. Everywhere that you go, I'm at that place. I just can't escape you. No coincidence. When I think that it's over, you see me again. See me again. I'ma call you fate, cause I can run away and catch back up to you. You're hot like the sun, gotta find a shade so I can get away from you. When I go to eat food, you're at the restaurant, working at the register. Is this a sign? Hey, am I going out my mind? Hey, well it's something like a deja vu, girl. Oh, I keep running into you, girl. Got my heart stuck
take my love to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take my love to show you how much my love is true? Feeling she gave to me makes me feel so brand new. Love you forever, there's no other like you. Baby, I know I hurt you twice. Promise I'll never hurt you no more. Although I know it's not nice, promise I'll never go back to that door. Although you've got your choice, please make sure the first is the cure. I make my sacrifice, only you, no one before. What will it take my love to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take my love to show you how much my love is true? Feeling she gave to me makes me feel so brand new. Love you forever, there's no other like you. Baby, no one but you. Many a times I've tried it, baby, I can't deny it. I just can't live my life a day in this world without you. What will it take my love to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take my love to show you how much my love is true? Feeling she gave to me makes me feel so brand new. Love you forever, there's no other like you. No. This is so special. I tell you, girl, for someone special living in my world, it's only for you. The things that I do, ooh, baby. Girl, open your heart and let love through. Like every ocean shores where the rivers run to. Back to the arms of the cure where she wanna run to. Let me tell you for sure, you're welcome back to. Baby, anytime you want to. Lady, my love ain't gonna haunt you. What will it take my love to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take my love to show you how much my love is true? What will it take my love?
It's pressure. Hey, baby, I'm never gonna give up on your love like that, baby. Even if I drift too far, I'm still coming right back, baby. Never gonna give up on your love like that, baby. I'm reassured that I'm forever yours. My love for you will never change. Through all the fame, you call me by my first name. And even when I brought you pain, you hold the strain. Still you love me the same. Tell me if I'm going wrong, cause my feelings are growing strong. Yeah, girl, you got it going on. You're the reason for my song. Baby, I'm never gonna give up on your love like that, baby. Even if I drift too far, I'm still coming right back, baby. Never gonna give up on your love like that, baby. I'm reassured that I'm forever yours. The way I speak of you, my friends say I'm crazy, but I'm the one who makes you feel like a lady. You amaze me, and your love has so much more value than the brand new Mercedes. You're my baby, not have you locked up in the house like slavery. Woman, you stay free. She ain't had a love like this lately. Yeah, baby, I'm never gonna give up on your love like that, baby. Even if I drift too far, I'm still coming right back, baby. Never gonna give up on your love like that, baby. I'll reassure that I'm forever yours. We're like an army of
too. The world against me and you.
You know, no.
Rock City.
Whatever
you reap is what you sow. What you sow is what you reap. Sufferation in the ghetto, can't get out, I'm in too deep. I'm a product of the streets, so make a living is all I seek. Don't think for a minute when I'm hungry, I ain't gon' find ways to eat. Every man is for himself, searching for a better way out. Watch your speech and where you ramp, or else you might get laid out. Youngsters will run the place and informers have to stay out. Makes no sense living without a pistol inside my house, yeah.
Let me tell you what's the big problem. Ghetto girls having sex at 10. Mama have to feed 10 children. Can't keep her eyes on all of them. Some keep bad man friend. You know they get some man a ball out, be a white squall. When robber man broke in your house, you know got no help, so I call. Only Father God alone can answer when I call. Until then, me and my thugs will be behind these walls.
I wonder make we suffer so.
Rastafari.
Whoa. Get alive.
It ain't easy down here.
Get alive in the ghetto.
We are the underprivileged in the town and the village. Every day a blood spillage in the ghetto where me live. Light and water where me bridge. What you see is how it is. Your closest friend or your neighbor could be your worst enemy. Waking up another day, you bear thanks to a forgive. No got no money fi go to school or just street side colleges. Crack cocaine take over the street with shotguns and cartridges. They use them, not take not a gunshot. Tear your cartilage, yeah. Look at the faces, scars and cuts. Look at the houses, the shacks and huts. Look at the blasted sewage and guts. Potholes still remain untouched. Keep a jai, still we don't have much. Politicians only come around election time and issue guns like them no love and respect mankind. People suffer throughout the world, but we are all one kind. It makes no sense to be unkind. We're all living on.
Get alive, boys.
And don't you be no fool. After your mama send you go to school, go get your education, girl. You put boyfriend first. Now you get some belly and you know you never ready, girl. You only make things worse. After your mama send you go to school, go get your education, boy. You put one thing first. Mix up with the devil, get yourself in a trouble, boy. Next thing you want, got the earth.
My youth who want to make it in a life, you want to work like go harder. I know your mother, I know your father, which is the harder. Out of the education and the gun, no shine no harder. You not push a little further, girl. I know your mother roll, don't to be no fool. No fun and no friend, just swim in a pool when she said no go school. Education rule, your book and your tool. Just keep it cool, not be no fool.
After your mama send you go to school, go get your education, girl. You put boyfriend first. Now you get some belly and you know you never ready, girl. You only make things worse. After them send you go to school, go get your education, boy. You put one thing first. Mix up with the devil, get yourself in a trouble, boy. Next thing you want on the earth. From school, give allegation, stop walk about. Errol and them put them on the talk about. Anytime dance, keep them on the last to come up. They wonder how them and their parents make it out. Yeah, I don't know what happened to some teenager. Always I put themselves in a danger. Never listen to what mama say, and daddy never give them no okay.
Just wanna sing, turn up one like big man. Before I steer glasses, call and gone a Barbican. Come, she have one like a big man. And before she go to school, she gone with grabber man. So, listen to your parents, don't take it for fun thing. Them nah hear, them gonna steer, them hard of hearing. Sticks must be broken on them ears or something. Listen, sugar, right, keep talking.
After your mama send you go to school, go get your education, girl. You put boyfriend first. Now you get some belly and you know you never ready, girl. You only make things worse. After you send you go to school, go get your education, boy.
Come on, man,
first.
Them don't know so that no right. You don't know so we say unite. Sugar is a Conrad crystal. I want to do them, man. Sing and make them know.
It's hard to build a better nation with different races.
Different races.
When everywhere you walk, there are newly faces.
Newly faces.
No godly love when there is always a daily grace.
Sure.
And nothing to erase from shite or ever traces.
You know what? See it, yeah.
When they talk about love, they talk about about love. They talk about love, 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 sweet love.
You know what? Sit ya. Hey. So them fi have brother love, sister love, and more love. Say little love even better than no love. Brother love, sister love, and more love. Say little love even better than. If a man grudge another one, I me say that I no love. A man shot a man, kill him out for him a run. Say him a bad man, and him a wicked man, and him never blew a breath in a no one. Say him a the big man, him have a M1. But wait till he back up on the Almighty One. Slang, brother love, sister love, and no love. Say little love even better than no love. Brother love, sister love, and more love. Say little love even better than.
Talk about love. Yeah. They're in their right and they should cry for more power.
Every minute, every second, every hour.
But it's easier to write a story in a longer hour.
You better know that you're not singer.
No brotherly love, no sisterly love, cause they're alone.
I want unity now, every time.
And it took a miracle to put love into hatred.
That's why Crystal sings.
Yes, they talk about love. They talk about love.
And Sugar Ray talk, say.
They talk about love, 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 sweet love. I'm ready for the unexpected.
I want them to deal with Crystal.
The youth them say them ready for the unexpected.
They better know what them are doing. Sure.
But what make them a want someone? Should them have them cali, cause them no fear no one. No.
So what them not respect human being again?
Them no fear fit on the top on the yellow one. Yeah. What make them a want someone? Should them have them big gun, them no fear no one.
Better put on that thing, you know.
What make them a want someone? Somebody tell me what's really wrong. Yeah.
Throw them have a lot of gun, them see how them a run the place. Who a support them, no bad boy, bull face. The chatter man, them get at no police, step on them case. They can't even stay upon them base. Oh, them a flex so people life they love it take so. I judge make you, why you make it ever wreck you? For you kill a man, or this man will protect you. Sugar Ray say you must stop and check to.
What make them a want someone? Should them have them cali, but them no fear no one. No, what make them a want someone? Them no fear to turn it up on the elder one. Yeah, what make them a want someone? Should them have them big gun, them no fear no one. No, what make them a want someone? Somebody tell me what's really wrong. Yeah, they love no one, only them guns alone, trying to live like Sylvester Stallone.
That me ask them man, how them
no
stay
them
man?
matter what compose up on corner, with them shine and grow. See, they know them can't stay up. Turn round and
So
call
I'm not
people in
respect for
farmer.
humanity. How do them?
Shoot up town and them girly. Say that them go station with them name. What make them a go someone? Shoot them have them cali, cause them no fear no one. No, what make them a go someone? Them no fear fit on it up on the elder one. Yeah, what make them a go someone? Shoot them have them big, cause them no fear no one. No, what make them a go someone? Somebody tell me what's wrong.
This is a love song, unconditional.
We need love.
Critical.
We need love.
Plant a seed of love, you'll reap it. Walk and speak of love, you'll see it.
A burden to society. That is what they think of me. They see trouble in my eyes.
Ask me why I'm angry. It's all the hypocrisy that every man sees and still they're blind.
So blind. There's no love, no love. I'm telling you, brother. No one is willing to compromise.
And it's a shame cause we need love, more love, yeah. It should be active in our lives.
It doesn't hurt to share. It doesn't hurt to care. It doesn't hurt to give. So let love live in our lives. It doesn't hurt to share. It doesn't hurt to care.
need love, more love, yeah. It should be active in our life. It doesn't hurt to share. It doesn't hurt to care. It doesn't hurt to give. To let love live in our life. It doesn't hurt to share. It doesn't hurt to care. But it hurts to know that some won't let love grow. Nobody cares for love. Baby, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Baby, please give me a chance to prove myself to you. Cause oh yes, I don't wanna be lonely. Baby, please, I'm asking, never try to leave me. Cause you keep replaying me and out my head is spinning. Oh yeah, and I'm trying my best to do the right thing. Oh, baby, you're playing around in my head is spinning. Oh, and I can't take this no more. But I'm gonna stop from trying. Only if you could see into this loving heart of mine. Baby, my girl, give me a chance to leave me on the by side. Cause I love you. Ask your friends if it ain't you. Because they say, if I don't get you, you can never find another man like me, my blue. Baby, your memory spinning round and round in my head. No matter what I try to do, girl, you're still on my mind. Girl, your memory still spinning around in my head. No matter how hard I try, I can't lose it. From baby, please.
The system set away for help the youths, them get lost. Deceitful and corrupted minds from way back in the past. And them who slave my mom and take my dad through Holocaust. Them wanna iniquity and get cut off. Cause the conquering lion see I know. Guide and protect my every which where I go. Any weapons that form against life won't prosper, no. Dirty Babylon, on this Africa gets a blow. Rise up my nation, this are the black uprising. Stop from support, Babylon advertising. Got them no love for see the youths, them organizing. When me burn the fire, there's no compromising. David slew Goliath with a stone and one sling. Turn up the fire in a Buckingham on the Queen's skin, yo. Ethiopia, West Celestia, your origin, yo. See them living in devilism. Conquering lion, see I know. He guide and protect my every which where I go. But any weapons formed against I won't prosper, no. Hail Emperor Selassie, the youths are close. Hey, take it over. Take it over. Anything to make Babylon try to make it over. Take it over, Rasta, take it over. Them no got no powers, Rastafari rule the whole earth. Them can't build the heart, neither the mind. Them only come destroy mankind. And them no got no love from the Savior divine, yeah. Them soul dirty like swine, but the conquering lion see I know. He guide and protect my every which where I go. Any weapons rise against I won't prosper, no. Dirty Babylon just step on the wrong toe. The system set away for help the youths, them get lost. Deceitful and corrupted minds from way back in the past. And them slave my mom and put my dad to Holocaust. Righteousness it after wrath. Them deceive the people and them not really smart.
So Jacob, glorious things are spoken of the old city of Emperor Haile Selassie. Yeah, Rastafari. Oh, what land of beautiful mountains and streams, the birthplace of the first human beings, with heights of creation beyond your dreams, and the blessings flowing through with the mystic breeze. So many biblical signs to be all, where my heritage preserved and the truth unfold. So long the half a story has been untold, where the banner of red, green and gold. Africa, I'm coming home to you, Africa. Never disown you, Africa. I'm coming home to you, Africa. Ethiopia, Africa. I'm coming home to you, Africa. Never disown you, Africa. I'm coming home to you, Africa. Your children suffered for 100 years. Oh, what tribulations my people bear. Taken from the place where there's love and care. One day we'll be mentally free, I swear. The Western liberty is so unfair, where the rich man now work and I get my share. I pray up on the hills and my vision is clear. I tell them, say, eat water and air. Africa, I'm treading home to you, Africa. Never disown you, Africa. I'm coming home to you, Africa. Ethiopia, Africa. I'm coming home to you, Africa. Ethiopia, Africa. I'm coming home to you, Africa. Never disown you. Holy Mount Zion is where I wanna be. Ethiopia, sunset forth runs free. No people are look and them still not go see judgment. Yeah, we have to face realities. Some people do them dirty works and them go on so I see. But them foolish things don't seem to amaze me. Rastafari stand on the battlefield of His Majesty. Yo, me not accept apology. Me say Africa, I'm coming home to you, Africa. Ethiopia, Africa, I'm coming home to you, Africa. Never disown you, Africa. I'm coming home to you, Africa. Ethiopia, Africa, I'm coming home to you, Africa. Yeah. How good and how pleasant it is for I and I to dwell together in the perfect unity. It's like the precious ointment upon I and I, dreadlocks running down to the beard, even earrings beard that running down to the skirt of his garments. And as the dope ermine I send upon the hills of Zion, their Emperor Haile Selassie, man, the blessings, even life forevermore. Ja! Rastafari.
What the man will I? King Selassie, Joe!